As always, make sure that any machine that you're working on is unplugged from its power source before beginning your repair. Begin by turning the meat grinder motor on its side and removing the 4 rubber feet and black panel from the housing. Once the panel is removed, begin disassembly of the forward reverse switch. You will begin by using a screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the red knob in place. Once the red knob has been removed, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the yellow cover and its casing off of the switch. Once the casing has been removed, you may now use the screwdriver to remove the last cover of the forward reverse switch. This will free the switch from the grinder casing, so you can now switch out the appropriate wires. Use wire cutters to cut the zip ties that hold the wires together. This will allow you to pull the forward reverse switch out of the motor housing. If necessary, remove the black reset button from the motor housing as well. This will give you a little more access to the wires. Use a flathead or Phillips screwdriver to loosen the contactor points on the old switch. When replacing the forward reverse switch, make sure that the wires on the new switch correspond to the contact point on the old switch. The wires and contact points are labeled, which should make for easy replacement. Once the wires are connected properly to the new switch, place the switch back into the motor housing and secure tightly. Replace the black panel and rubber feet and turn the motor upright for testing.